How to open different markets. To open a chart for a different market, you will need to access the Market Watch window. If it's not already open, you can find it by clicking on the View tab at the top of the screen and selecting the Market Watch. This window displays a comprehensive list of all available markets. To open a chart, right-click on the desired market and select Chart Window. If the market you are looking for isn't listed, you may need to add it manually. There are a few methods for adding the new market. One way is through the Symbols window. You can access this by clicking the Symbols button on the toolbar at the top of the screen or by right-clicking in the Market Watch window and selecting Symbols. This will open a window where you can browse through different market categories and choose which markets to show or hide. Market categories are listed on the left side, with available markets displayed on the right. Note that if a market seems to be missing, it might be possible that it is unavailable at our platform. For example, to add the FTCH.US, navigate to CFD Stocks category, then to USA. Select FTCH.US, click Show, and then OK. Please note that the ticker symbols can vary between brokers, but you can usually identify the market from the description. Now, the FTCH.US should appear in your Market Watch window. Alternatively, you can use the Click to Add feature at the bottom of the list to add new markets. Click this button and start typing the market name. For example, typing Farfetch.Limited will show the corresponding market. However, if you press Enter, nothing will happen unless you use the market's ticker symbol instead of the description name. The Market Watch window also includes several additional tabs, accessible at the bottom. The Details tab shows price information for the selected market, the Ticks tab displays tick price movements, and the Trading tab provides quick trading buttons for all listed markets. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more exclusive videos.